In this video, we'll show you two simple methods to add multiple videos on your Instagram story on a single screen. If you are trying to include 2, 3 or more videos in one story, stay tuned until the very end. Start by opening the Instagram app and swiping to create a story. From your photo gallery, select the videos you want to use 2 or 3 at once. However, Instagram will automatically add these videos in a sequence, meaning each will play one after another in separate stories. But what we want is to have them all in one story. Since Instagram doesn't offer an option to combine multiple videos into one story frame, we'll need to use a workaround to do this. Download the CapCut app, which is free and available in both App Store and Google Play Store. It's a great video editing tool that will allow us to achieve this effect. Once CapCut is installed, open the app and start a new project. Choose the first video you want to add and make sure to adjust the aspect ratio to fit Instagram story format. Click the aspect ratio button at the bottom and select 9:16 option, which is perfect size for Instagram stories. Now, you can resize and reposition the first video by selecting it and pinching the screen to zoom in or out. To add another video, tap the overlay button and select Add Overlay. This will take you back to your gallery where you can choose your next video. Adjust its size and position on the screen the same way as before. You can continue this process to add many videos as you want by tapping Add Overlay. Again, once you are satisfied with the result, set your desired resolution settings. Tap the Export button to save the video to your camera roll. After that, return to Instagram, upload the video you created in CapCut, and share it in your story. And that's how you can include multiple videos in one Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.